Hi guys, this is the Python series part 10. Now let's discuss the string format method. Is it possible to concatenate string with number in Python? No. If we try to concatenate the string with number, we will get error only. Okay, if we want to concatenate string with string, that is possible. Number with number, that is also possible. But if we try to concatenate the string with number, we will get error only. Okay, so here name is the string variable and age is the integer variable. If I try to concatenate the name with age, what is the result we will get? I give Ram and the age 32. So what error? Type error. Because can only concatenate string, not integer to string. Okay. So what we will do to concatenate the string with number? In Python language, we have the format inbuilt method. What is the role of the format method? The format method formats the specified values and insert them inside the string placeholders. The placeholder is defined using the curly brackets like this. Okay, so here this is the string. Here my name is. Inside the curly braces, here I have given name variable. And I am inside the curly braces, I have given the age variable. So this is our text. Okay, and here we have used the placeholders. Okay, and dot operator and then the inbuilt method format. So here this string holds two placeholders. So we have to pass two parameters. Here I have given the values for name and age. Okay. So here this name is the 0th index value and this second parameter is the first index value. If we want to interchange the index values, means that is also possible. So in this statement I have used the first index here and then the 0th index here. Okay, let me execute this one. Then only you will be clear. Here, enter your name. I give Ram for name and 45 for age. Here there is no error because I comment this statement. If I uncomment this statement means we will get the traceback error. We have seen now only. Okay, the type error. Here I just concatenate the string with number. How is it possible? With the help of this format method. Okay, this is the placeholder. This is also the placeholder. Okay, in this string we have two placeholders. So inside the first placeholder I have given the name. Okay, that Radha is placed here. And inside this placeholder, what is the value of age? 36. That is present here. Okay, and here I just use the index values. Instead of the name of the variable, inside the placeholder, I have used the index values. So inside this format, we have two parameters. So the index values start from 0 only, not from 1. So the name index value is 0 and age index value is 1. Okay, here this 0 is replaced by the value of name. So what is the value of name? Ram. So here we got Ram. And this 1 index value is replaced by the value of age. So what is the value of age? 45. That's why we got this answer. Okay. And in this statement, I have written the first index here and the 0th index inside the second placeholder. So what happens here? Inside this round brackets, we have two arguments. First argument index is 0 and second argument index is 1. So what happens here? This 1 is replaced by the value of age and this 0 is replaced by the value of name. That's why we got this output. So if we want to concatenate the string with the number, that is possible with the help of the string format method. Okay. I hope you all understand. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.